Hi everyone, it's Terry from Terry's Scrapbooks. I have another Pion Designs guest designer project using the Songbird secret papers again, only this time I used the 6x6 papers. This little album is 6x6 by 2 inches wide, and the focal image, this comes from a 12x12 sheet called the Images from the Past, the Songbird Secrets collection. And I made the flowers with the papers from the collection so they match perfectly. I used different dyes. I used Heartfelt Creations Classic Leaf dye for the leaves, and I cut those using their solid cardstock, Pion Design's Palettes cardstock, which is heavier. Don't know if you knew that it's a very heavy duty paper. And the flowers I used, mixed up these two dyes, Heartfelt Creations Tattered Blooms and Spellbinder's Rose Creation dyes to make the flowers. This is a little journaling spot cut from the papers. This is a fussy cut dream catcher from the papers. I have some ribbon at the corners here, and the spine has from the tags paper, which is a 12x12 sheet of paper, this little ticket with the dream catcher on it. And the back is plain. I've just layered some Martha Stewart punched edges of different papers from the collection or around. Of course, this has to be the 12x12 in order to go all the way around the book. These are the design palette colors. And I use the ribbons on the corner because when you open it up, then there's this bow right here in the middle. And the inside front cover, I've made a pocket from the papers and more flowers die cut from the papers. Here's a tag with the little nest. It says Familiar Birds up under here, place for journaling. And these are from the Memory Notes, which is a 12x12 sheet of paper for journaling or putting pictures on the back. And they're tucked down in the pocket. I have some torn edged pieces for interest in the backgrounds. This is the 4x4 photo mat with a tag for journaling. Next page, 2 small 2x3 photos, or 4 all the way, with a pull-out tag for journaling. And same on this side, pull-out tag for journaling. And a pocket with another big tag for journaling. And a photo mat. Another photo mat. I used beads as flower centers. This is a 4x4 photo mat with a fussy cut out this bird for the corner. 2 2x3 photo mats with a tag. And a little bit larger photo mat with a journaling spot. Another photo mat with a tag. And here's another memory note cut from a 12x12 sheet. A little photo mat. Another tag. And another photo mat in the pocket. Here's another little pocket with more memory notes inside. So pretty. And another tag. So much you can do with this beautiful collection. Here's a license plate that says cherish moments captured in time. And the last photo mat with a little tag. And another bow. And that's it. This little album will hold about 25 pictures. It will be for sale on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description. And links to Pion Design's website and a list of the products I used to make this mini. I hope you enjoyed the album, and I thank you so much for watching.